We'll begin by disassembling the carburetor by removing these 4 screws here. Removing the primer bulb. There may be 2 gaskets underneath here. Real thin one. Get your thicker, more gasket material. Here you have your float needle, your float. There's a spring underneath there. All you gotta do to remove that is loosen up this screw here. A little bit more. This pin right here will actually slide out, and everything just comes right out. Pull the needle out. Check the condition of the tip. If you look down in there, you'll see the main jet. You want to make sure it's completely clear. There's no corrosion, no obstructions. And we're going to start on the other side. Remove these screws. There's a fuel strainer in here that usually gets plugged up. #1 cause for no starts. So we'll remove this gasket. Oh, you can see the buildup on the bottom of that one already. Remove this gasket here. And as you can see right there, that should be a nice clear screen. It is solid cake. Look at that. Not sure what kind of fuel they were using in this, but that's definitely not the right type of fuel. But you can see here the screen can actually come out. The screen just came out of there, and that's what's left down in there. There's a little jet in there. We'll be replacing all of these gaskets along with a new screen for that. Rebuilding, new spring, new needle, new gaskets top and bottom. The number for that for this model is P005002650 for the rebuild kit. And also we did a fuel filter on this because it was very bad. As you can see, it is all caked up. There's no fuel getting through that. Fuel filter for this one is just a standard Walbro. Echo part number on this is 13120519830. If you buy stuff off of Stens, they also have a number there, 610393. So we're going to replace all these parts, and we'll show you that shortly.